First, I would like to say a few words about ginger. We can easily say that ginger is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Yes, and you should also know that ginger is a rhizome in the Zingiberaceae family, and it's related to turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. Note, the rhizome is found underground, but it's actually a stem, not a root. You'll be amazed when we tell you that ginger has been used for centuries to relieve aches, pains, and many different health problems. It can be used as a spice in all kinds of cooking, as well as brewed to make tea. This super healthy stem is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals which make it extremely beneficial for your overall health. It is well known for its long history of use for improving digestion and immunity, relieving pain, and fighting cardiovascular diseases, asthma, and many other health issues. Yes, and you should also know that just 1 cup of hot ginger tea beats cold in winter. Much better than any other beverage. Ginger tea can provide many health benefits, such as it can fight infections and boost your immune system, due to its antioxidant properties. Ginger tea is very effective and beneficial against the virus that causes influenza, colds, and cold sores. Ginger tea can also improve blood circulation, mostly due to its warming properties. It also improves oxygen, vitamin, and mineral delivery. It can also help you relieve pain, and treat sore muscles, cold, flu, and headache. This super healthy tea has the ability to reduce the risk of stroke. You will need the following ingredients. 1 teaspoon organic raw honey. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground organic ginger. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground organic turmeric. 1 cup organic coconut milk. 1 cup of filtered water. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you should bring the water to boil. Then, you should add turmeric and ginger and let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Add coconut milk and then strain the tea into a cup. Enjoy your homemade ginger tea. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.